SendWave Banking Service Honest Review Watch Before Using. SendWave Banking Service Honest Review Watch Before Using. Most people get frustrated sending money abroad because of high fees and slow transfers. Here's the surprising truth. SendWave makes international money transfers fast, cheap, and reliable. SendWave is a mobile app that allows users to send money to friends and family in multiple countries. Transfers are typically completed in minutes, and fees are low compared to traditional banks or remittance services. Most people get this wrong, thinking bank wires are their only option. With SendWave, you simply link your bank account or card, select a recipient, and the app handles the rest. Funds often arrive the same day, and exchange rates are competitive. The surprising truth is that mobile-first remittance services like SendWave are reshaping the way people send money internationally, saving both time and money. It's best for anyone sending recurring payments to family, overseas workers, or friends abroad. If you want faster, cheaper international transfers, SendWave is a tool worth exploring. Subscribe to the channel for more fintech and banking service reviews.